Good morning, YouTube. Stock Lock Sunday. I have in front of me two commercial grade Master Lock padlock number 3s. Only difference is the shackles. I don't have any keys, so I cannot tell you anything about the key. I'll show you the key either. One appears to be a little bit more weathered than the other. By looking at the keyways. But I have a Peterson Bogota here. Low skill attack. Just trying to get them open. I hadn't picked either one of them in a while. Either single pin picking or raking. So I'm gonna give it a shot. Bottom of the keyway with this music wire is round and then flattened. Hope everybody's doing okay today. That's one. Same tool, same tension wrench. Number 2. That's all I have today. Y'all have a great Sunday.